10 affirmations you can use with citrine to attract money and abundance. I am open to receiving abundance and prosperity into my life. I am worthy of wealth and financial success. I am grateful for the abundance that flows into my life effortlessly. I am attracting new financial opportunities every day. My thoughts and actions are aligned with my abundance mindset. I trust that the universe will always provide for me abundantly. I am surrounded by positive energy that attracts money and abundance. My financial situation is constantly improving. I am filled with joy and gratitude as I receive the abundance that the universe has for me. I radiate positive energy and attract abundance in all areas of my life. Remember to repeat these affirmations with conviction and positivity every day. With the help of citrine and these affirmations, you can shift your mindset and attract the abundance you deserve. Thanks for watching. For more information on manifesting with citrine, click the link in the description or in the comment below.